Do you see that? The creepy-ass baby? I don't know what that is. Anyway, so here's how I make sound effects. First, find a sound effect. So, then record it. I can't record it because I'm making a video, and I record it and then the video has to
You need to have this app on
Alright,
your
then
phone.
I go to this
if
app.
You're still in school or at a job.
This app is really annoying because of the ads.
You
so
need to have this app on your phone. If you're still in school or at a job.
Then you start it. Then you send then you send open in. Then you save the files. And because this isn't real, I'm not going to. But yeah, that's it. That's how I make sound effects.